Hurricane season begins on Monday. Are you ready? It's been about 9 years since South Florida was last impacted directly by a hurricane.
And that means now is the time to be sure you know what to do should a hurricane threaten us this year. Next with the meteorologist, Dave Warren is working with Broward Emergency Management to help keep you safe.
First, look at this is a typical two-story single-family home.
Clay Pacheco is the Emergency Management Director in Broward County. We asked him to show us what we all need to be thinking about when we are hunkered down for a storm. That starts with knowing where your safe room is.
The thing with the safe room, there's no windows. First and foremost, that's the most important point, is there's no windows.
You need to know where it is and how to get there fast.
Most importantly, especially if we get an out-of-the-blue tornado warning, which we get many in the northwest quadrant of hurricanes. And the scariest part, you may have 5 to 10 minutes notice that it's coming on top of you.
It's also a good practice to have what you will need nearby.
You want to have a light, a way to get alerts, and a way to protect yourself even.
Absolutely, very important. Some folks can use pillows. You can use a small mattress, something that you can hold on top of you if you were to get hit with the tornado and you'd have a collapse of a second floor. You'd have some protection for your head.
The safe room is only as good as the protection surrounding it.
What does an hurricane impact mean?
It actually does a great job for you. It really gives you a layer of protection that regular windows don't. If you don't have impact windows, the next best option is shutters. But with impact windows, they're tested and tried over and over again at a category 3, 4, and 5 hurricane.
If you install windows and want to keep the shutters, that's fine, but you don't have to.
I have accordions on my home, and it really gives that extra layer of protection to protect your roof, but you are more than fine with impact windows.
When it comes to staying safe in a storm, it all comes down to preparing, getting the home ready from the outside and also knowing where to go on the inside, keeping you safe during and after the storm. Dave Warren, CBS News, Miami.
Thank you, Dave. And don't forget to join us Monday for Survive the Season Hurricane 2026. The next weather team will bring you important information to make certain you and your family are prepared and, above all, safe during a storm. That's at 7 p.m. right here on CBS Miami and, of course, the CBS News Miami stream.